should have recorded what I did, but what do you think? Not bad. Oh, and I put these on. And how I wired these things. Why is it orange on the camera and red in here? Weird. And all power comes through here. Not bad. I'm making a video. Oh, by the way, that's Antonio. He's our shop foreman. Well, he's the head shop guy. He's been here a little bit less than I have. So that's my modification so far. And this is aluminum, 1/4 inch thick with 3/8 inch thick plastic, making a whole 1/2 inch thick. So that's an actual med flat plastic, and that's cut aluminum. Cool.